Hello there, my name is Freedom. Welcome to Freed Scientific channel. On this channel we talk about weather, climate and hydrology. So today we want to talk about an exciting instrument which is used to measure precipitation. To start with, we have different types of precipitation. We have rain, we have showers, we have storms, we have hail, even snow is part of precipitation. So there are different kinds of instruments which are used to measure precipitation. We have the tipping bucket rain gauge, we have the non-recording rain gauge, digital rain gauge, and automatic rain gauge which uses sensors. Today we want to focus on the non-recording rain gauge. So there are different types of non-recording rain gauges as well. We have here with us, we have the 4-inch non-recording rain gauge, and we have the 5-inch non-recording rain gauge, commonly called the 127mm rain gauge. These rain gauges can be made out of different types of materials. They can be made out of copper, they can be made out of stainless steel, but today the ones which we have are made out of PVC. So stainless steel and copper over the years have proven to be very expensive. So through research, WMO approved the use of PVC material to manufacture or to make the non-recording rain gauge. So we want to take a closer look at the 127mm non-recording rain gauge today. So this type of rain gauge is made out of PVC and it has got a brass rim with very sharp edges. Now I want to get into the components of this type of rain gauge. This rain gauge has got 3 important components, which is the funnel, as you can see, collecting can, and an overflow can. So these are the 3 components which make up a rain gauge. On installation, this type of rain gauge should be installed at least 30.5 centimeters above the ground, but in most cases we put it at 75 centimeters above the ground to avoid splashes to get into the collecting can, because we want to measure direct precipitation from the atmosphere. So a stand can be made out of PVC as well, or it can be made out of brick and mortar. So when we want to measure rainfall now, we want to look at how this instrument works. So as I said earlier, this instrument only collects rainfall, but for you to then measure rainfall, you need to use it in conjunction with the measuring cylinder. To demonstrate, I have a glass of water here which is going to resemble precipitation getting into the rain gauge. So as I pour in this water, it runs through the funnel into the collecting can which is inside. So now I want to measure how many millimeters of water of precipitation I have received. So I will take out the collecting can and take my measuring cylinder. So I put my measuring cylinder on a flat surface. Then I pour my water or precipitation, whether it was rain, whether it was a storm. So I pour my water into the measuring cylinder. Then I have to take my reading whilst my eyes are level with the meniscus of the measuring cylinder. So in this case, the rainfall which I would have recorded is 2.1 millimeters. As you can see, I keep on referring to rainfall measurement to be millimeters. That's the standard for measuring rainfall, unlike other liquids which are measured in milliliters. To add, when you are using this instrument, your rainfall is measured on a 24-hour intervals, which means every day after 24 hours you need to take your rainfall readings at least or at most by 8:30 a.m. So that's it with regards to our non-recording rain gauge. Feel free to ask questions. If you have any questions, we'll be glad to respond to them. And don't forget to like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.